Alright, YouTubers, here we have this diehl ceiling fan. Sorry about the light, it's night and I've been working on it. I got all the blades bent back to where they should be. They were all bent up or down very, very severely. As you can see, I took the switch out, which is over here. Snap switch is dead, basically. Screws. Don't want to lose them. They're in there. But either way, other thing. It's dead, it's missing the spring. I'm going to put this back in, but it's not going to be active. I might just do a small chain off it just to make it look like it should. This fan will be wired up for solid state. Here's a better look at the tag. Here's the top of the motor. The transformer does work. The speeds do work, but I'm not going to use them. These old Antuiques are basically high, and higher, so no point. You can see the wiring job someone did. Just kind of tapped off it. So, fun stuff. But either way, I have it connected to the high lead, which is basically straight power. Oh, there it is. Okay. I was wondering where the two screws were. So let's go ahead and put this guy through her paces. Like I said, this is just a temp video just to show how she works. I haven't done anything to the bearings as is. So. Takes quite a bit of power to get going. Right around there. Usually a medium for the ceiling fan. So that was a good low. Let's go ahead and turn it a little bit more. Around there. Should be a good medium, I hope. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and go to high. It does take quite a bit of time to get up to speed. Once it does, she seems to run as she should. Let's get a little closer. Very strong breeze. I do need to find a canopy though. So the one bad thing is this fan does not come with a canopy. I'm also afraid to touch it until I get the wiring situation sorted out. So either way, thanks for watching, I guess. Not gonna, well, I'll do something. Why not? Just to show how the fan is. Yeah, for some 100-year-old fan, this thing works pretty good, actually. Like I said, I gotta balance it a little bit more. Not perfect. Like I said, I've been bending these blades all night. That's why I'm doing a late video. I'm definitely going to use a shorter down rod. I don't need that long of a down rod. So, but like I said, I am looking for any kind of bell-shaped canopy. I guess I could throw a Hunter original canopy on this thing. I think I have an extra black one somewhere. Yeah, quite a nice fan. And this is running without oil. I haven't put oil in it. Like I said, this is an as-is video. I've got to do some tests, but the bearing's actually good. So I don't know where this fan's been sitting at for the longest time, but it was taken care of. There we go. Thanks for watching.